Today we learn vegetables name. Potato. This is potato. 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 Carrot. This is carrot. Carot. Carrot. Broccoli. This is broccoli. 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 Capsicum. This is capsicum. 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 Mushroom. This is mushroom. Mashroom. Mushroom. Onion. This is onion. 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 Chili. This is chili. Chili. Peas. This is peas. Peas. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Cucumber. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Beetroot. Tomato. This is tomato. Tomato. Garlic. This is garlic. Garlic. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. 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 Corn. This is corn. Corn. Ginger. This is ginger. Ginger. Ginger.